movement culminated in the emergence of independent Bangladesh through a 9-month liberation war in 1971.
Ladies and gentlemen, before going to the main session, we would like to start our program with the national anthem. We request you all to stand in honor of the national anthem.
After the liberation war, to enhance the progress of science and technology, the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, established BCSIR by an ordinance in 1973.
Dr. Muhammad Abdul Razzaq, MP, Honorable Minister, Ministry of Agriculture.
May I request Fatima Zohra, Scientific Officer. May I request Dr. Sadia Afrin, Scientific Officer.
May I request Afrina Sharmin, Senior Scientific Officer.
May I request our Honorable Chairman, Professor Dr. Muhammad Aftab Ali Sheikh, to present Uttoryo to our Chief Patron, Honorable Minister, Ministry of Science and Technology, Architect Yafes Usman.
Professor Dr. Muhammad Aftab Ali Sheikh to present Uttoryo to special guest Dr. A.F.M. Ruhul Haq, respected Chairman, Ministry of Science and Technology related Parliamentary Standing Committee.
Muhammad Aftab Ali Sheikh to present Uttoryo to our Patron, Senior Secretary, Ministry of Science and Technology, Mr. Muhammad Anwar Hussain.
Respected Secretary of ICSTD 2021.
On the eve of our 50th Victory Day and Mujib Barsho, I would like to extend my sincere homage to the memory of 3 million martyrs who made their supreme sacrifice and 200,000 women who lost their innocence during the liberation war in 1971.
যার জন্ম না হলে বাংলাদেশ হতো না। আমরা আজ যেখানে যে পরিচয়ে পরিচিত সেই পরিচয় আমাদের থাকতো না। আমাদের স্বাধীনতা যুদ্ধ মুক্তিযুদ্ধ যার নামে হয়েছিল সেই মহান নেতা জাতির পিতা বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানের প্রতি, তার পরিবার বর্গের প্রতি, বঙ্গমাতা শেখ ফজিলুন্নেসা মুজিবের প্রতি, যাদেরকে 1975 সালের 15ই আগস্ট নির্মমভাবে হত্যা করা হয়েছিল। 4 জাতীয় নেতাকে স্মরণ করছি 30 লক্ষ শহীদ এবং 2 লক্ষ নির্যাতিত মা বোনকে। All these achievements made Bangladesh the role model for many developing nations. Our heartiest gratitude goes to our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina for her precious contribution in this regard.
BCSIR is one of the best institutes in Bangladesh, visioned by Bangabandhu and established by him in 1973. It is the duty of the present generation, it is the duty of the future generation to show us all the future, what is yet to come. In this generation, the technology is going to guide us. Without technology, we are not going to do anything. With this technology, we are connected to many people in the world, around the world.
We are lucky to also be celebrating the Golden Jubilee of the independence of Bangladesh in this year. This eventful year has also seen the advent of a new era for the development of our homeland, since Bangladesh has qualified to graduate into a developing nation from a least developing country after 45 years under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina.
This kind of international conference is essential to keep pace with the current advancement of science and technology in the globe. This enables us scientists to share experience with scientists from abroad and thus upgrade our own knowledge. I thank the authority of BCSIR for arranging this international conference. Ladies and gentlemen, the father of our nation dreamt of building Sonar Bangla, the Golden Bengal. He strives to conquer poverty with aid of science and technology. He took initiative to create research facilities regarding use of science and technology for reconstruction of war-ravaged newly independent country. Know that science kept fighting always. Man will conquer fear, man shall win. Khuda Hafez, Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu, Bangladesh, Chirojibi.
Ministry of Science and Technology.
Now, our chief guest, Dr. Muhammad Abdul Razzaq, MP, Honorable Minister, Ministry of Agriculture, will hand the praise to today's guest of honor, Barrister Sheikh Hossein Muttapush.
Dhaka South City Corporation will hand the prize to today's special guest, Dr. A.F.M. Ruhul Haq, MP.
Now, today's special guest, Dr. A.F.M. Ruhul Haq, MP, will hand the praise to Mr. Muhammad Anwar Hussain, Senior Secretary, Ministry of Science and Technology.
Now, our chief patron, Architect Yafez Usman, Honorable Minister, Ministry of Science and Technology, will hand the prize to the President of ICSTB, Professor Dr. Muhammad Aftab Ali Sheikh, respected Chairman of DCSIR.
The respected President of ICSTB, Professor Dr. Muhammad Aftab Ali Sheikh, Chairman of BCSIR, will hand the praise to the respected Secretary of ICSTB 2021, Dr. Muhammad Sarwar Jahan.
You know that three important days of our history in this month of March. On 26 March 1971, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of the nation, declared Bangladesh independence. On that day, he formally declared independence. This is the month when Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born in 17 March 1920. This speech, in fact, declared the independence of Bangladesh, proclaiming this time the struggle is for our freedom, this time the struggle is for our independence. যেটা আমরা বলে থাকি এবারের সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম, এবারের সংগ্রাম মুক্তির সংগ্রাম. It was an iconic moment that changed the course of history for our nation. This extempo speech constitutes a praiseworthy documentation of how a post-colonial nation state fails to develop an inclusive and democratic society. Science conference, I open it. Thank you.